English Vibes Podcast. Why is your sleep so bad? Hey everyone. Welcome to English Vibes Podcast. I'm Dan.
And I'm Sophie.
Today, we are talking about sleep, or more importantly, what to do if you find yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to fall asleep.
Plus, we'll go over some useful English expressions related to sleep.
Reasons for sleep problems. All right, let's start with why people struggle with sleep. The first reason is stress. If you're constantly worried about work, studies, or relationships, your brain stays active even when your body is exhausted.
Exactly. That's why so many people lie in bed replaying the events of the day.
Another reason is an inconsistent sleep schedule. If you go to bed at different times every night, your body gets confused, especially if you wake up early on weekdays, but sleep in on weekends.
Food and drinks also play a role. Coffee, strong tea, energy drinks, and even chocolate can interfere with sleep.
Speaking of coffee, did you know its effects can last up to 6 hours? So if you have an espresso at 6 p.m., the caffeine is still in your system at midnight.
Well, no wonder people struggle to sleep after an evening cappuccino.
Insomnia. Now, let's listen to a conversation between two friends discussing sleep problems.
Max, you look like you haven't slept in days.
Lena, honestly, I'm desperate. I've been dealing with insomnia for a month.
Wow, what's happening?
I lie in bed for hours, trying everything. Warm milk, meditation, even turning off my phone. Nothing works.
Maybe you're too stressed? Have you tried writing down your thoughts before bed?
I don't think so, but when I finally fall asleep, I wake up from nightmares.
Nightmares? Like what?
For example, last night, I dreamed I forgot my speech during an important presentation.
Sounds like your brain is processing your daily worries. Have you tried melatonin? It's a natural sleep hormone that helps many people.
Melatonin, is it safe?
Sometimes. There's your answer. The blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime.
This dialogue contains some useful expressions. 1. You look like you haven't slept in days. Used when someone looks really tired. 2. Writing down your thoughts before bed. A great technique to clear your mind. 3. Blue light from screens. Screens emit light that stops melatonin production. Let's go over 3 useful phrasal verbs related to sleep. 1. To toss and turn, to move around in bed. Unable to sleep.
2. To sleep like a log, to sleep very deeply.
3. To pull an all-nighter, to stay up all night. For example, before an exam. Here are some examples. I couldn't sleep last night. I was tossing and turning all night. After a long hike, I slept like a log. I had to pull an all-nighter to finish my project. Now, let's hear another conversation, this time about how habits affect sleep.
Sam, were you on your phone until M again?
Yeah, why?
You always complain about poor sleep. Maybe that's the reason.
Nah, I'm just a night owl. I have no energy during the day, but at night, I feel great.
What if you try going to bed earlier?
I've tried. I just lie there, wide awake.
Then you need a bedtime routine: reading, a warm shower, quiet time.
Yeah, but I live near a highway. The noise from cars keeps me up.
Then try white noise, a sound that helps mask background noise.
Let's go over some tips to improve sleep quality.
1. Limit screen time before bed. Blue light interferes with melatonin production.
2. Create a bedtime routine reading. Music, breathing exercises. Point 3. Avoid caffeine in the evening. It stays in your system for up to 6 hours.
4. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8.
5. Keep your bedroom cool. The ideal sleep temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Exposure to blue light from phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep.
Try to turn off screens at least an hour before bed or use blue light filters if you must use devices.
Having a consistent pre-sleep routine helps signal your body that it's time to wind down.
Activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing deep breathing exercises can improve sleep quality.
Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours and disrupt sleep. Try to avoid coffee, tea, chocolate, and energy drinks at least 6 hours before bed. Additionally, eating heavy or spicy meals late at night can cause discomfort and keep you awake. Get regular exercise. Regular physical activity helps regulate your sleep cycle, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime as they can have a stimulating effect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode. See you next time.